Children, what exam you have tomorrow? మళ్ళీ లఫీ గడ్ వచ్చాడు. He didn't change his name, Mr. Luffy. Mr. Luffy, why you are not changing your name? Science. Okay. Science. Prepared? Have you prepared it well? Because it is already 8:30. It is already 8:30. Have you prepared for the exam or not? Yes. Okay. Good. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. Is the board visible clearly? My voice breaking. So how can I talk with breaking voice? Stir. Breaking voice. Yes sir, but voice is breaking. Okay. Maybe network issues. Screen is not that clear. I think now it is okay. Is it okay now, children? Okay. Today's first question. If a question is asked like this, factorize. If this is the question, how to do it, right? Anyone? If a question is asked like this, factorize 6 minus x square minus x square. 6 minus x square. If this is the question, how to do it? Any idea from your side? Bah, Yuvraj, I am also having R.S. Agarwal with me. I can also see and say the answers. Mr. Yuvraj Singh. If I am not wrong, you are not seeing the answers. Okay, good, good. See, same only. Keep 1 over here and 1 over here. 6 into negative 1, negative 6. As it is. There is no change. 6 into negative 1, negative 6. Okay. then negative 6, we need to divide it into two factors such that their product is negative 6, sum is negative 1. Product is negative 6, sum is negative 1. Okay, now, so I think it is negative 3 into 2. I think it is negative 3 into 2. So we can write 6 minus 3x plus 2x minus x square. We can split like that. Okay. Now, take 3 common from this. We will get 2 minus x. And from these two we can take x common. We will get 2 minus x. So 2 minus x and 3 plus x. 2 minus x and 3 plus x are the zeros, are the roots. Not roots, factors. They are the factors. Sai Kaushik, good evening. Yeah. Now, how to factorize this one? How to factorize this one? You can observe irrational coefficients, children. Irrational coefficients. How to do this one? There is nothing different, same only. So why? Okay, your RS Agarwal is in locker. So what happened, Yuvraj? With whom you are discussing? Yuvraj? But now coefficient and constants are real numbers. With whom you are discussing, Yuvraj? Yeah. Say multiply these two. You are saying your RS Agarwal is in locker, go and check. With whom you are discussing? So 2 root 3 into negative 5 root 3. 2 into negative 5, negative 10. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. So 10 into 3, root 9 is 3 only, na? Negative 30. Okay. Negative 30. So we need to search for two numbers whose product is negative 30 and sum is 1, because here middle term we have 1. Okay, na? Yeah, good. So I think it is nothing but 6 into negative 5, negative 30. 6 plus negative 5 is 1. It is 1. Okay. 6 into negative 5 is negative 30. 6 plus negative 5 is 1. So what we will do here? 2 root 3x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. 2 root 3x square. Good evening, Janavi. You are so early today. So when is the class timing, Mr. Kashyap? Sai Mokshagnya, late, nearly 11 minutes late. Right, see. Now, from the first two, Kashyap is my student only. Okay, na? What we can take common from 2 root 3x square plus 6x? Two root 3x, x only, na? Only x. 2x, which is right? X or 2 or 2x, which is right? Gautam says only x. Yuvraj also says only x, but remaining people are saying 2x. So I'll go ahead with 2x. So 2x common. So remaining is here root 3x plus 3. Root 3x plus 3. But children, here you see what I am doing here. 2 root 3x square, I will write 6 as 2 into 3 x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. Again, 2 root 3x square, 2 into this 3 I will write it as root 3 into root 3 into x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. See, further I am dividing. Further, 6 I wrote it as 2 into 3, and this 3 I wrote it as root 3 into root 3. Now you tell me, from these two numbers, two terms, from these two terms, what we can take common? The two terms which are under the brackets or under the box, from those two terms, what we can take common? Six I wrote as 2 into 3. Again 3 I wrote it as root 3 into root 3. Yes, 2 root 3x we can take common. 2 root 3x. So remaining here x and here root 3. So x plus root 3. And here I can take minus 5 common. Remaining is x plus root 3. So again, x plus root 3, 2 root 3x minus 5. 2 root 3x minus 5 are the factors. They are the factors. Note down this problem, children. It's a higher order problem in factorization of a quadratic polynomial. It's an higher order. You can take screenshot or you can note it down. See, 6 I wrote it as 2 into 3. Again 3 I wrote it as root 3 into root 3. Again 3 I wrote it as root 3 into root 3. See this question, children. X square minus 2 root 3x minus 24. How to do it? This is also higher order. Irrational coefficients ఉంటే మరి higher order అవుతాయి. Irrational coefficients అవి higher order అవుతాయి. How to do this? So here 1 into negative 24, negative 24. 1 into negative 24, negative 24. Now, you need to do or divide negative 24 into two numbers. But sum is negative 2 root. Yeah, splitting the middle term only, but you need to search for two terms or two numbers whose product is negative 24 but sum is minus 2 root 3. Ante that means your A and B both are irrationals. You have to consider both are irrationals. Any idea of children from your side? Your A is an irrational number and your B is also an irrational number, so that their product is negative 24 and sum is negative 2 root 3. Bashita, Ankit, there are some students who can think. Hemachandra, Yuvraj Singh, Soheli, you can think. Okay, I'll try to say. Children, you tell me what is the product of these two? 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Yes, very good. Yuvraj, very good. 4 root 3 into 2 root 3. 24. 4 root 3 into 2 root 3, 24. Okay. But here we need to consider as minus 4 root 3. Minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 24. Minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now, from the first two terms, we can take x common. Remaining is x minus 4 root 3. And from the second two terms, we can take 2 root 3 common. Remaining is x minus 24. No, x minus 4 root 3. So x minus 4 root 3 into x plus 2 root 3. X minus 4 root 3 into x plus 2 root 3. Note it down, children. See, అంటే ఇప్పుడు 6 ఉంది. 6 we can write 1 into 6, 2 into 3, negative 1 into negative 6, negative 2 into negative 3. 2 root 3 into root 3, 3 root 2 into root 2, minus 2 root 3 into minus root 3, minus 3 root 2 into root 2. So children, you tell me what is the difference between these and these. See, what we call these? When we multiply all these, 1 6 are 6, 2 3 are 6, minus 1 to minus 6 is 6, minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. So these are called integral factors or rational factors. These are called integral factors or rational factors. And what we call these? Irrational factors. Very good. So a number is having rational factors as well as irrational factors. That is what you have to understand. ఒక నంబర్ కి రేషనల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇర్రేషనల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Now I am giving you a simple one. Root 3x square plus 10x plus 8 root 3. Anyone? Root 3x square plus 10x plus 8 root 3. How to do it? So ideas from your side. You just tell me what is a plus b and what is a into b. What is a into b first you tell me. What is a into b? A into b, Hemchandra. See the coefficients. 24. Very good. A into b 24. What is a plus b? A plus b? Ten. Middle term 10. Very good. Bhashita. Hemchandra మనకి నెగటివ్ 24 వచ్చిందా పాజిటివ్ 24 వచ్చిందా? A into B, is it a positive 24 or negative 24? Positive. Then, and how can it be 12 into minus 2? Right, good. So root 3x square 6x plus 4x plus 8 root 3. 6x plus 4x plus 8 root 3. 6x plus 4x is 10x. 6 into 4 is 24. Again, I am splitting 6 again. Splitting 6 as 2 into 3. 2 into 3x. Again 2 into root 3 into root 3 into x plus 4x plus 8 root 3. Now from first two terms, what we can take common? From first two terms, what we can take common? Root 3x. Very good. Root 3x. Good. So what is remaining? If it is root 3x, what is remaining? If I take root 3x common, what is remaining? You are not getting my question. I take root 3x common, what is remaining? X plus 2 root 3, very good. X plus 2 root 3. And last two terms, what I can take common? Good. 4, very good. 4, good. Plus 4. So x plus 2 root 3. So x plus 2 root 3 into root 3x plus 4. X plus 2 root 3 into a root 3x plus 4 are the factors. Okay, na? So that's all for today. We'll meet again tomorrow for factorizing cubic polynomial. Okay. 4, if you take 4 common, remaining is x plus 2 root 3 kada. Third step, yeah. Write 6 as 2 into 3. Write 6 as 2 into 3. Again 3 as root 3 into root 3 because first term lo root 3 undi kada. First term lo root 3 undi ga Hemachandra. Root 3x square is there na, so we need to get root 3 there. So split 6 as 2 into 3, again 3 as root 3 into root 3. So andaru Ankit take attendance and here 6 is there na, here root 3 is there, root 3. But we have 6 only. So what we can take common from these two? అరుణ మీ తమ్ముడు ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నాడు. అరుణ write 6 as 2 into 3. Again this 3 as root 3 into root 3. So why to do that? Here root 3 is there, so we can take root 3 common, na? That's why. Okay, na? So everyone click on the like button. Click on the like button. And you may leave now. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.